Hi guys, this video will show you the features displayed on the Hidemyacc profile screen. After downloading the software and logging into your account, the first screen that appears is the profile screen. This segment displays all the profiles you have created. You can interact with the created profiles here. If your account is new, this screen will appear blank, and you'll need to create a new profile to use it. You can click here to create a new profile, or click here. For more details on how to create a new profile, refer to the New Profiles video linked in the description. The profile screen is divided into two main parts: the Folders section, the Profiles section. As for the starter plan and below, you won't have the permission to create new folders, and the Folders section is only displayed to receive the shared folders. The permission to create new folders is only available for users of the base plan and above. As for the base plan and above, in order to create a new folder, you can select this plus button, enter the folder name and click Create. Newly created folders will be displayed here. You can also choose Delete it, or create new folders. Once created, click this X button to return to the main screen. You can rename the folder here. Press Enter to save the changes. If you don't want to rename it, press the X to exit. In order to share a folder, click here and add the account you want to share. In order to delete a folder, click here. The Profiles section displays information of all the profiles you have created. If you select a folder, all profiles in that folder will be displayed. In the Profile screen, there are some parameters displayed by default, such as the profile's ordinal number, name, browser source, fake browser type, status, proxy information, and Run button to run the profile. You can add or remove displayed information by clicking the Display Settings icon. Take on the information you want to display, then click Save. In some fields, you can reorder or filter by pre-existing criteria. For example, reorder by name or filter by profile status. To refresh the page, click on this icon. Profiles that you are sharing to others, or being shared to, will have a share icon displayed next to the profile name. In case you want to pin a few profiles you use often without having to search, you can go here and select the pin function. To turn off the battery, go back in and choose Unpin. With the pin profiles, the color of the lines will turn yellow, and there is an additional pin icon next to the profile name. Aside from the pin feature, you can also edit profile, duplicate profiles, copy profile ID, or delete profile here. The duplicate feature in the new version replaces the multi-profiles feature in the former version, which will be instructed in detail in the next duplicate video. By ticking on the profiles, you can choose to share, transfer, add to folders, add new proxies for multiple profiles simultaneously, add new extensions to multiple profiles, run profiles, stop running, or delete profiles. If you want to add profiles to the created folder, select Add to Folder and select the destination folder, then click Add. If that profile is already in an existing folder, you can delete it from the folder, or move to another one by clicking Move to Folder, selecting the destination folder and clicking Move. For more details on how to use other features, refer to the videos linked in the description. To restore deleted profiles, click on the Restore Profiles icon. Profiles deleted within 24 hours will be displayed here. After 24 hours, these profiles will automatically be permanently deleted. Therefore, before deleting any profile, you need to double-check and restore within 24 hours after deleting if needed, to avoid unfortunate cases. In order to restore profiles deleted within 24 hours, select Profiles, then click the Restore button here. Then you can continue to use these profiles. In this video, you've been introduced to the features displayed in the Profiles screen. For other instructions, please continue to watch videos in the Hidemyacc version 3.0 user guide playlist linked in the description. If you have any further questions, please contact our support team via Telegram, Facebook, Skype, or WhatsApp. Thank you and good luck!